welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then hello and welcome to my video. For today, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and we open them together so that we can see what's new in makeup together. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you want to subscribe down below, I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also we do these, like I said, every single Friday here on my channel. So let's get started and open some of these packages. Alright, so for this first package, I actually teamed up with Greetabl to share with you guys something really cool. So if you guys don't know what Greetabl is, it is basically like a card but extra. So you will send this out to a family member or friend, or anytime that you feel like you need to send a card out, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, any of those holidays, or just anytime you want to just send a friend a card, you can send it to them, but you can put like a little gift inside, as well as the card actually has pictures in it and it's very personalized. So they let me actually create my own and I was really excited. So I made one for my friend and I actually haven't even got to see what it looks like yet, so I'm really excited to open it. So here is what the box looks like when you get it in the mail. I chose one, you can choose all the different packaging on it. So I chose one that has like little mascara wands on it because I had to. I got this for my friend. She actually just got an award through school, so I actually made one for her. So this is super exciting. So they did give me a coupon code as well if you guys want to check it out. The coupon code is going to be MAKEUPMOLLY and it will save you guys 20% if you decide to go ahead and make one for someone in your life. So I'm super excited to see what it looks like. I'm kind of ruining the present for her by opening it, but I'm gonna try and like put it back together. But I wanna show you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the tab and I'm gonna open the other side as well. So this is fully customizable. Like I said, you can pick the outer side. You can also pick what's on the inside. Oh, how cute. This is so stinking cute. Okay, so this is what I picked for like my pictures. So you have like different pictures on here and then you get to choose like a customizable message. So I just said that I was super proud of her for winning this award. And then like I said, I got to customize it with pictures of us. So super special. This is something just like different to get in the mail. And I know I do a lot with makeup, but they have really cool stuff on there that correlates with makeup. So like you can choose different things to go inside of your box. So for me, I chose this super cute little tray, because I feel like it's something that she's gonna really like. I don't know if I should open it because I'm gonna open it anyways. She can get it after it's been opened. But look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So it just says good vibes, which I thought went perfectly with what she was doing, but it's just like this little mini tray that you can put like little rings on or earrings. I just thought it was super cute, and you can pick different stuff to put inside the box. So you guys can put, there's like lip glosses, there's soaps, there's chocolates, there's like necklaces, earrings. There's a lot of different stuff that you can put inside your little Greetabl, and it's just a super cute idea. And when they reached out to me, I was kind of like, does that really go along with my, page? And it was something that I wasn't sure about suggesting to you guys, but honestly, I think it's such a cute idea and I had to share it with you guys. So thank you so much to Greetabl for partnering with me for part of this video. And I hope you guys will check them out. This is such a super cute idea. And I know that I'm gonna be using them in the future for sure. I'm someone who doesn't really like getting flowers and stuff like that. So I don't personally like sending flowers. So I think this would be something that I would definitely use in the future to send to somebody, just something personalized and special. So like I said, if you guys wanna use my code, it's MAKEUPMOLLY for 20% off your purchase. Now let's get into some makeup. So this next package came from Pathology, and they sent over, let's see, we have a new product. So it says airplane mode, arrive refreshed with 5 minutes in the flight, on the go, and standby facials. This is gonna be perfect for me because I have a lot of traveling coming up. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little luggage tag. I actually literally just thought to myself when I got my bags out, I'm going to LA for Gen Beauty in a couple weeks, and I actually just got my bags out and said, I don't have a luggage tag. What are the odds of that? Thank you guys, this is so exciting. So also, this is their new, the Zen Master. This is a smooth 5-minute flash mask. So this has aloe inside of it, which is always super, super soothing. So I'm excited about that. And then we also have in here a travel treatment kit. So we have a whole kit. So let's see what's inside this one. Oh wow, so we have like a bunch of different masks. This is like literally perfect timing for me. So we have a hydrating flash mask. We also have a illuminating flash mask. And then we also have some of their eye patch gels, which are some of my favorites. These are the rejuvenating eye gels. And then we also have a lip mask. So this is amazing. I'm so excited. This came at the perfect timing because I do have a lot of traveling. I'm also headed to Myrtle Beach 2 weeks after I come home from LA. So I have a very busy schedule right now. And this came at the perfect timing. So thank you so much to Pathology. For this next package, this came from XoXo as well as this came from Oprah. So I really love Oprah's products. You guys know that I talk about them here a lot on my channel. So I was able to order this little trio of liquid lipsticks. Oprah has probably, I would say, my #1 most loved liquid lipstick formula, if not #2, but I'm pretty sure they're #1. So this is called their Vintage Vineyard set. So I'm gonna pull them out so we can see. I'm really excited about this purple. I actually don't have this purple. I have a lot of lipsticks from Oprah, but I do not have this one. So this is in Bordeaux, it looks like. And then it also has here Cape Town, as well as the last one is Tuscany, which looks like a really pretty color. So I'm gonna swatch them. Okay, so here are the swatches of the liquid lipstick colors. I'm really excited about these, especially that middle shade is really, really pretty. So huge thank you to Oprah and XoXo for this gift. So moving on, this next package came from Physicians Formula. So we have in here some products from them. It says, Molly Pucker Up Beauty, we hope you love trying the healthy lip. Can't wait to see which shade is your favorite. Okay, so we got some new lip colors. So these are gonna be the Healthy Lip Velvet Lipsticks. These are available in 13 different highly pigmented shades that range from nude to bold. So you guys know I love nudes, but I also love wearing bold, so this is perfect for me. It says that these combine long-lasting wear with ultra-hydrating formula. The lightweight soft satin matte formula features avocado oil and vitamin A and E that hydrates and moisturizes your lips well. Hyaluronic acid smooths for a healthy and beautiful pout. So that sounds like all the perfect thing you would want in a lipstick. So there is a ton of different shades. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna swatch one of them to see the formula, but I don't wanna go through every single one because that's kind of a lot. But I'm definitely excited to play with these. So this shade is in Vitamin Beach. That's a cute name. And I love the packaging. It just looks so luxurious. And the wand is my favorite kind. It's the one that has like that flat applicator. So let's swatch. Ooh, this feels really, really nice. I'm really excited. Okay, so there is a swatch of that one right there. I'm super, super excited and really intrigued by these, and I cannot wait to try them all. Huge thank you to Physicians Formula. Thank you, guys. So we got a box from Profusion next. Always the best, and they always wrap everything individually, so it's like opening presents. So let's see what this first one is. So this is a blush book. Ooh, this looks cool. So this is their blush palette. It has 6 different blush shades in it. This looks really, really nice. I really love the mauve blushes right now, so this whole little corner right here is definitely something that I'm interested in. So this is really cool. It has 6 different colors. Ooh, so this next set, I love Profusion because they really have like these awesome sets where you get so many different things in one. If you guys don't know, they are available at Target, so if you have a Target near you. This is their Mixed Metals Eye and Lips, and this is in peach. So it looks like here we have a eyeshadow palette. Oh, that looks really nice, actually. That looks really pretty. It has a nice large mirror as well. And then it also has a metal matte lip cream, and then also a brush, and then a matte peach lip liner. So perfect little combo here. So I'm excited about this, really excited about that palette. And then the last thing in here is a highlighting palette. So this is their highlight makeup case. Ooh, this looks nice too. I love their highlights. I have that larger highlighter kit from them, and I really, really like their highlights. Here's what the inside looks like. I think I'm gonna probably put this in a giveaway for you guys because I do have some of these shades in my other larger palette, but I will let you know that the formula of these is really, really good, and they are a super affordable brand. So if you guys haven't checked out Profusion, I would definitely recommend you guys check them out. I will have some of their products linked down below if I can find, as well as everything else I mentioned. If I can find it, it will be down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for this package. And the final box here came from Iconic London. So let's see what they sent over. So it looks like we have a mascara. So what is the name of this? I don't see on here the name of the mascara, but let's see here. So this is, it says Be Original. I'm not sure if that is the name of it. but I don't really see any other name on here. Everyone has been coming out with mascaras lately. I feel like that's like the thing. But here is what the outer tube looks like. And then let's see what the one looks nice. It has really, really small little bristles, so it looks like it's gonna be really easy to get your upper lashes, which I love. So thank you guys. I'm excited to try this out. Mascaras have been on my list of things I love lately because I've been really using my natural lashes. I haven't really been wearing false lashes that much because I have just been really into doing my natural lashes lately. So love mascaras. Thank you to Iconic London for this package. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing some new makeup products. Let me know in the comment section down below which products you guys are most excited about. If you guys want to see reviews more in depth on any of the products that I mentioned, please let me know. Also, I'll have that coupon for Greetabl down below. Huge thank you to them for partnering with me in this video. Of course, huge thank you to you guys for making this all possible for me, and a huge thank you to these brands for these incredible packages. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you go. Bye, guys.